In this video, I will show you how to change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. Let's open a blank sheet. No default page style, portrait or landscape, is indicated. We enter some data, go to File, and then Print Preview. We hit Print Preview again and are back in editing mode. Now you will realize horizontal and vertical dashed lines. These are the print borders, and they indicate the current page style. The default is portrait. If your data exceeds these borders, they distribute over several pages. You can check it easily by pressing the Print Preview button in the toolbar. You will get 2 printout pages for your one table. So, with the help of the dashed lines, you can design your tables accordingly if it is important to get complete one-page printouts. Changing the landscape can make the torn-apart table whole again. For that, go to Format and Page Style. In the pop-up menu, under Page and Paper Format, you can adjust the page orientation. You can change the orientation for a specific print job in the respective print menus, but this will not affect the default page orientation in Calc. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.